Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style.
The anticipation is over. We are here.
Hi, and welcome back to Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today it feels great to be back in the kitchen. We have a wonderful, exciting recipe for you guys today. We're gonna go ahead and get off into it. Come on, join us.
So today I decided I'm gonna come out here. We're gonna have us a pot of turnips and mustards with smoked turkey necks in the power cooker. And I decided I was gonna come out here in the garden and pick some of these greens for dinner. They are so green and plentiful. So I'm gonna get started. In the midst of all of these delicious looking greens, look what I found. A big fat rutabaga. These are going to be delicious. Wow, look at what all we were able to get out of the garden today. We have enough greens for a huge pot. So, follow me to the kitchen and let's get started. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put our greens in the sink. We're going to wash them in lukewarm water. We're going to add some salt to them when we get ready to wash them, just in case there's any bugs or anything like that on them. And we're going to take our time, remove the stems, wash these real good, and then we'll be ready to go in our power cooker. Okay, so we are going to remove our stems from our greens. These turnips are huge, but the way we're going to do that, we're just going to go ahead and pull the greens from the stem just like this, all the way till we get to the end. And if you want to keep more of that stem on your greens, that's just fine. Okay, so I have removed all of my stems and I've decided to give them one last wash. We have a lot of greens here. Okay, so I'm going to try to cut my cooking time in half. I'm going to use 2 of these pots today. I have my turkey necks, smoked turkey necks in one, and I'm gonna put my greens in another. And once they're the smoked turkey necks are tender, I'm gonna add them to the greens. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 bouillon cubes to my turkey necks, and I'm gonna add 2 to the pot for my greens. I already added the onions for my greens. I'm gonna add onions in here for my turkey necks. I'm going to add some granulated onion powder to both. Garlic powder. Salt. Pepper. Gonna add some greens here. And then I'm going to turn these on and I'm going to let them cook for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then we'll check on the pots. So after the greens cooked for a while, I added my smoked turkey necks to the pot and a little of the juice off of those. I added some sugar for a little sweetness, and as you can see, those turkey necks are fork tender. These came out absolutely great. Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.